Yo, what up? It's your boy Ron P back with another video. I'm gonna make this one real short and sweet. I just released the new vocal preset, the Ron P vocal preset. Keeping it simple. A lot of people be wondering, how do you install the vocal presets? Very simple. They just drag and drop. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. But before you do apply the vocal preset, you are going to have to do some gain staging with your audio interface and make sure that your vocals are properly leveled, because if your gain is too high on your audio interface, there's nothing that any vocal preset can do to fix that, because it's going to sound distorted, it's going to sound muffled, it's going to sound horrible. So before applying the vocal preset, make sure that you do proper gain staging on your audio interface. All right, I'm guessing you already downloaded it, so I'm just going to make it simple. I downloaded it onto my desktop right here. Okay, that's a desktop. So this is the vocal preset right here. So on my desktop, track 3, if you're looking at track 3, this is where my vocals are. Okay, so I'm just going to literally drag it onto track 3. Boom, it's applied. All right, now again, now that you have the vocal preset, and by the way, these are all stock plugins, so there's no third whoop-de-whoop, you know what I'm saying? All stock plugins. Once you drag it onto the channel that you want the preset on, like I said, again, you just level it. I always have my master up. That's just me or whatever. You don't have to, but if your master isn't, because normally it'll look like this. It'll look like that, right? So that means you got to raise this volume up more. But I like to have my master all the way up. That way I don't have to raise that up too much, all right? So let's hear it. I guess let's hear it without the vocal preset, all right? So I'm turning the vocal preset off, and let's hear it. I jump in the kitchen, I cook, spoon, fork, knife, shots, get the poppin' like Fortnite. Wait a minute, pot, pan, so I'ma play the kitchen. Hey, one of the little homies, make them niggas say they did it. It sounds trash. I mean, just being real. So I'm gonna add it. I jump in the kitchen, I cook, spoon, fork, knife, shots, get the poppin' like Fortnite. Wait a minute, pot, pan, so I'ma play the kitchen. Hey, one of the little homies, make them niggas say they did it. I could beat the. So again, it sounds clear, it sounds strong, but I do have to level it because my vocals may be too under the beat and it may be too above the beat. So make sure when you get this vocal preset, you do your own leveling, and make sure you do gain staging like I told you guys at the beginning of the video. Make sure you go jump in the description, hit the link, get you a vocal preset. Make sure if this video was helpful to you at all, you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button and that share button, and make sure you come on back, because I'm gonna be giving away some vocal presets, and I'm gonna be giving away a template to FL Studio that's going to be free. So make sure you guys subscribe so you'll be updated when I put out that new template. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out.